Hello everyone and welcome back to our excavator series, and in today's video we're going to go over a full cabin walkthrough of our 3-ton excavator that we offer here at WHC Hire. Let's run you through absolutely everything so you can familiarise yourself with the machine so you get the absolute most out of your hire. To start with, we need to get ourselves into the machine. To start with, we need to open the door and ensure it's secured safely, and then we can use 3 points of contact to enter the machine. Now we're safely in the machine, let's get you familiarised with your surroundings. The left pilot control controls the arm of the machine. Pushing forward will extend the arm further away from the machine. Pulling back will bring it closer. You can also rotate the machine on its current position by choosing either 9 o'clock or 3 o'clock on the clock face on the left hand pilot control. Additionally, on this pilot control we've got our auxiliary button to operate the auxiliary attachment if we have one. And moving over to the right hand side, we've got our right pilot control. This controls the boom of the machine. We pull back, the boom comes closer to the machine, and we push away, it extends the boom further away. The right hand pilot also controls the bucket as well. Crowding the bucket, we move the joystick to the 9 o'clock position, and that will crowd the bucket of the machine. And then we're ready to uncrowd or unload the bucket, we choose 3 o'clock. Additionally, on this control, we've got our horn that can be accessed by pushing the horn button. From here, you've got, right in front of you, you've got your track controls which control your tracks underneath you. Below that, you've got your track foot pedals. So if you're tracking over a long distance, you can use these instead of using your hands. To the right of your tracking pedals, you've got your slew pedal, which allows you to change the position of the boom to assist you in your operation. This pedal also has a second feature which operates any auxiliary attached to the machine, and this can be done by pressing the auxiliary button found on the left hand pilot control. To the right of your track controls, you've got your Keycode Ignition and Hydralics control. Coming further back towards your right hand pilot control, we've got our Dozer blade. Now this Dozer blade operates 2 features of the machine. The Dozer, obviously. We push downwards, it lowers the Dozer, and we pull back, it lifts the Dozer off the ground. On the Dozer blade lever, you'll see that there is a button which allows you to change the speed of which you transport the machine in. We push it once, it will immediately go into fast track mode, speeding the machine up. We push it again, it will slow us down, so that we can control the machine far more delicately. Coming back from that, just under your right hand wrist rest for your pilot control, we've got our heads up display. This heads up display shows us all our warning lights, as well as our revs, our fuel, and also the hours of the machine. To the right of that, we've got our throttle, where we can change the revs of the machine depending on what we're doing. And just a bit lower than the heads up display, we've got our ignition. Now moving back over to the left hand pilot control, underneath the wrist rest we've got our operational buttons. We've got our beacon lights, we've got our headlights for when we're working in low light situations, our windscreen wiper, and finally we've got our lift warning buzzer deactivator with our 12-volt outlet. And finally, before we jump out of the machine, is our excavator operators features, and in this machine comes with a built-in heater which can be found and operated just under the left hand side of the operator's seat. And there you go guys, there are the operational features and a full cabin walkthrough to help you familiarise yourself with the 3-ton excavator. Hopefully this video will help you troubleshoot most problems that you'll come across using this machine. But if you're still stuck after this video, please feel free to get in contact with your local depot so we can get you up and running as soon as possible. Thank you ever so much again for joining me. Until the next video, take care and bye bye for now.